numbers in the city light up. Chasing dreams, they never give up. Top stars, dollar signs in sight. Running through the neon night. Crazy hustle every day and night. Closing targets always in the sight. From the bottom reaching for the top. Never will they ever stop. Me numbers, me on the run. If you ain't counting, better get some. Numbers flying high just like a jet. Make them count, don't live with regret.
See this guy, Capri Sun, Capri Sun, two of them. I've actually been thinking. When I was younger, Capri Sun used to be Capri Sonne. Now it is Capri Sun. Initially, I thought it was just, one of those things where people make clones or copies of a particular product. But no, it's the same product. They just kind of changed the name. It was formerly called Capri Sun as Sonne, the same pronunciation but just different spellings now. Now it is Sun, Capri Sun. So, but that's not the point of this video. This is a very, very nice drink. I take it. I, of late, I've been taking it. But then I saw something that could possibly lead to an argument, and that's why I'm here to make that argument. This thing here somewhere it says natural. I don't know if you can see it. It says natural. Is Capri Sun really natural?
Me numbers. If you wanna make it numbers, your days are numbered.
When it comes to packaged food and health products, the term natural is loosely regulated. Like, people don't really, they don't hold to the real and actual meaning of the word natural. So whenever I see packaged food products claim to be natural, I'm always like, oh, okay, yeah. You just have to let go of your own definition and work with what the industry provides. But then here it says natural. Natural. Is Capri Sun really natural? Um, for me, okay, for the industry, packaged natural here means a food product that has no artificial flavorings, no artificial sweeteners. It's just there. And Capri Sun here, from the ingredients, is saying it has water, sugar, orange juice concentrate, citric acid, and vitamin C. That's nice. But then I want to draw a difference between the word. I want to define the word natural as anything that comes from nature. From the ingredients here, you said sugar, water, orange juice, concentrate, and citric acid. You see, if I want to take orange juice, it should be a juice squeezed from an orange. That's what I call natural.
Me numbers. If you wanna make it numbers, your days are numbered. Me numbers. If you wanna make it numbers, your days are numbered.
To effectively draw the definition of my definition of what I call natural, I'll have to draw my definition of what I call organic. So personally, I see organic, the word organic, as any substance, any substance that's been seen in nature, any compound that's been seen in nature. So, for example, sugar. Sugar is a substance that has been seen in nature. We've seen it in sugar cane and some other very sweet fruits and all that. Sugar, it's very organic. It's been seen in nature, occurring naturally in nature. But then that does not mean that anytime we see sugar, that sugar is natural, right? So because we know the chemical composition of this sugar, we can go to a lab and make this sugar. So that means that the sugar we make in the lab is organic, but not natural. I don't know if that makes any sense. So if you're trying to tell me that something is natural, it should be something that's drawn from nature. Let's say, for example, if I say this sugar is natural, it means that I took it from the water of sugar cane or any other fruit or any other stem that has sugar as its active, as one of its components, rather. So if I'm saying this drink is natural and it's supposed to be an orange drink, then it should mean that I just squeezed orange and I packaged it. That's the only way, if I'm to be a producer or a manufacturer, that's the only way I can claim that something is actually natural. But in this particular case, that is not the case. So it means that these people are using the industry loose, unregulated definition of the word natural. So it does not mean that Capri Sun is natural. If we're talking about a natural orange juice, get an orange, squeeze it, get the juice, drink it, natural. No artificial flavorings, no colorings, no nothing, just the natural orange juice. But if we're trying to talk about this, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I don't think this is natural. It's not.
Me, me numbers, me, me numbers. If you're not making numbers, your days are numbered. Me numbers.
So I would leave you to answer that question as to whether Capri Sun is really natural or not. And being a consumer rights advocate, I would always look out for these things. I would always try to inform the people. Not a lot of Nigerians look at these things. Yeah, for a lot of Nigerians, it doesn't really matter. We just want something nice, something that is sweet, something that's pleasant to our taste buds, and we are getting it. Capri Sun is a very nice drink, very nice drink. But then I'm always here to argue, to interrogate certain claims, and I think that's what the FCCPC is also trying to do, trying to make sure that what the manufacturers and producers of these packaged products claim is actually what's there to protect the rights of the consumer. And I think natural, natural, no. But then, is it a good drink? Does it taste nice? Yes. So Capri Sun. Another thing is opening this. Okay, Capri Sun.
Numbers, your days are